Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, I've got something fun for you today, cube mailers. Not everything you send in the mail has to be flat, so if you really want to stand out, try sending a dimensional, distracting cube that is almost guaranteed to get opened. I've got 4 variations to share, so let's take a closer look. First up is a timeless solution from way back on episode 98 with this super creative cube mailer event invitation for the famous Maryland Institute College of Art, or MICA as they're known. You'll see the top slides off to reveal a folded format that holds an accordion folded business reply card. And then the bottom cleverly deconstructs for a view of the interior spread. You can see how the right angle and diagonal folds work together to form the cube. I love the strategy of the solid black exterior with dull and gloss varnish effects and the light and colorful interior for contrast. Cool fact about this piece is that all components were designed to fit onto a single press sheet. Now let's look at a very cool modification of the design we just saw, one that eliminates the need for a separate box cover. I'm bringing this one back from episode 455, and this design is the one-piece version of the MICA format. They engineered a tuck flap closure that opens up to reveal what was in this case a jar of moisturizer. This is packaging that offered a really unique opening and brand experience. This did ship in an outer box, by the way. Now let's have some fun with a very cool self-promo design brought back from episode 188. This one looks a lot like the MICA cube from the outside with a jet black exterior and varnish effects, but the experience is totally different when you lift the angled tucked flap that opens the hinged cover to reveal bright color, bold messaging, and something totally fun on the inside. You guessed it, that's an old school cootie catcher with customized messaging inside. It took the Suttle-Straus design team some work to fold all of these for the promotion, but the work paid off as it was memorable and fun to play with. This is a cool surprise to open and a great way to stay top of mind with customers. And now I've got one final idea to share. This one is called a rolling cube, and I shared it back on episode 283. It's an exciting dimensional format from Structural Graphics that is housed in a cube-shaped box, and then you pull a tab to remove it from the box and roll away. This series of mini boxes are connected so they roll around and around and around and around to reveal several different interesting views and messages. It's really hard to stop playing with this, and it's definitely something that the recipient will want to hang on to. I love how cube mailers can be carriers that hold something interesting inside, or how the cube itself can actually be the entertainment. I'm not sure which is my favorite. They're all great, aren't they? If you're wondering how cube mailers mail, they can be shrink-wrapped or placed into cube-shaped boxes for extra protection. Of course, there's additional postage involved for something like this, but it may just be worth it for the impact it can create. I hope you can find a good excuse to use a cube mailer sometime soon. You won't regret it. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.